Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to send money with Wise. So let's start. First you have to create your Wise account, and then when you have your Wise account and you verify your account, well, you can send money. You can do here in the home screen that is in Wise, and the option says send money. So just click there, and well, here you can select the currency that you want to send. In this case, if it's USD and GP, or for example Australian dollar, Brazilian real, Canadian dollar, etc. So you can select the currency, and then you select here, for example, how much you want to send, for example $20, and then here appears how much the receipt will get. Okay, this is the amount with fees, etc. So now you only continue here, and then you select the people who you want to transfer. For example, you want to enter the bank details or search by Wise. You can write here the name or the email address, and then you can click here. If you want to buy bank, just click here, someone else, and just click their email for name, the number. Here is the corp, well, this is optional, the country, the city, the recipient address. Then just confirm it and you can send. In this way, you will send money to people on Wise. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.